Hello, I'm Martha, and I'm with Counseling and Mental Health Services. Today, I'd like to share with you ways you can get involved with our office. We offer free and confidential group and individual counseling, now available in a video conferencing format with limited in-person services for students that are living on campus or experiencing a crisis. Our groups and workshops have a great variety of topics and styles, so there is sure to be something here for you. Groups and workshops operate during the fall, spring, and summer semesters and have also been converted to a video conferencing format. We have also made available 3 self-help computer and mobile applications for you to utilize. TAO, or Therapy Assistance Online, is available via computer or phone and is focused on using therapy concepts that you can utilize at your own pace. Thrive at UT is available via phone and uses general well-being tips to help you thrive in different aspects of well-being at a speed you are comfortable with. My SSP, or My Student Support Program, is a service available by phone or computer and is specifically for out-of-state or out-of-country students that require ongoing mental health counseling. Call us at 210-458-4140 or walk in to learn more about our services. We have offices at the main campus, RWC 1.810, next to Campus Recreation. Check our website for updates on operating hours. We offer a crisis helpline 24/7 that you can reach by dialing 210-458-4140 and choosing option 3 when prompted. So feel free to give us a call or stop by, and we can connect you to the services you need. On behalf of Counseling and Mental Health Services, welcome to UTSA.